Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to replace the driver and passenger light bulbs on a 2014 Corolla with a moonroof. To do this, you can use a card that you don't need anymore, the thicker the better, and something to pry with. I have this special pry tool that doesn't scratch. Be careful if you use something metallic like a screwdriver because it may scratch the bezel up here. So the first step is to insert your card in between the lens here and the bezel and just push it down. And then you can use your fingernails and just pull down a little bit. And the idea here is that I want to insert my plastic pry tool in between these two spots here. You can see there's a little mark there. And the plastic pry tool has to go in further than the plastic lens, all the way down. So I'm just inserting it all the way. And then just turn it, and I'll undo the two clips. There are two clips here, and once those are undone, then the whole assembly just comes out. So once you have this down, you can undo this electrical connector by pushing on the tab here, and once you push on the tab, then you can push up on it and remove it. So these are the two clips where I put my pry tool in between, and I just wanted to show you that on the back, when I put the pry tool, I made sure to push it all the way in so I can grab some of this hard plastic. Make sure that when you pry, you're not prying on the lens here because the lens is pretty fragile and the clips might break. So it's very important that you are prying on the hard plastic when you're pulling this down. So I'm just going to carefully undo these clips now. And you can just pull them by hand a little bit. And then just take the lens off. And once you have the lens off, then you can just pull the light bulbs out and replace them. Make sure to push the light bulb down once you put the new one back in. And then you can just snap the lens back on. So I'm just going to connect the electrical connector back on. And then I'll push the back in. So I got the back in, and now I got the front. So that's all there is to it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and consider subscribing to my channel.